Hola, hola, bienvenidos. Learning the numbers can help us in many different situations. For example, telling the time, giving out our phone number, or giving out an address. So in this lesson, we are going to practice a lot of repetition, so listen carefully. Cero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, 9, 10. And quick tip, the number uno can be feminine or masculine, so you can say una mujer or un hombre. Excellent job. Now let's go on to the next set of numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's match the number with its written form. Ahora vamos a conectar los números con su versión escrita. 12, 1, 8, 16, 20, 15, 3, 9. Excelente, great job. If the pronunciation is still a little bit difficult for you, just go ahead and watch this video again and repeat after me, and after a while, it'll be a piece of cake. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.